Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Marbrasse 4 Trays Desktop File Organizer with Pen Holder, a versatile solution for keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. This organizer features 4 sliding trays, 2 hanging pencil holders, and a sliding drawer, providing ample storage for all your office essentials like pens, pencils, scissors, folders, and letter array 4-size paper. With its screw-free installation design, setting up this organizer is a breeze, taking just minutes without the need for any tools. The space-saving design includes a hanging pencil holder with built-in hooks and a top drawer organizer, ensuring your desk stays neat so you can focus on your work. Crafted from lightweight yet durable metal mesh and reinforced with a solid steel frame, this organizer promises long-lasting strength and reliable performance. Plus, with a 90-day return policy and dedicated customer support, you can order with confidence, knowing that any questions or concerns will be addressed within 24 hours. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your workspace with this efficient and stylish desk organizer. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.